So I got this notebook today and I thought it might be a good idea just to share what happened with this. This is the box, and once I turned it around, I saw a small damage on one of the ends, as you can see in the snapshot. Fortunately, it did not touch the laptop, so no issues. Now this is a quick unboxing of the notebook, and then we take a look at it. For some strange reason, the laptop did not switch on till I actually turned the power on in the adapter. I checked the cables, nothing wrong there, kept it pressed, nothing wrong there. So I had to switch the power adapter on before it started. No issues after that, but this was a small hiccup. The battery was charged, but it did not start up for some strange reason. Of course, as expected, we had plenty of Windows updates to install before we could do much. So once that was done, I was pretty happy with the laptop and the build quality and the way the keys and the trackpad responded. The volume of the audio is a bit low, but overall I'm quite happy with this purchase. If there is much interest and if there are comments on this video, I'll probably do a fuller review of this in a few days. That's it for now. Have fun till the next one.